We are on number 6. All right, you got your whiteboards ready? Everybody ready? Let's all right, number 6. How about this? A swelling on a plant root that contains nitrogen-fixing bacteria. What is it? A swelling on a plant root that contains nitrogen-fixing bacteria. Don't show me. Don't show your neighbor. You have to do it in Jeopardy format, which means you need to say, what is a nodule? Okay. That's just worth 1 point. Okay.
That's my drawing of it.
I need some Jeopardy music. Nice. You know what? I thought maybe you guys were too young to know that music. Okay. All right. Give me this answer in Jeopardy format. You know what that means, right? You have to write, what is a nodule? They write it in the form of a question. Here we go. Give me the Jeopardy answer for the vocab word that means non-living. Non-living. Don't show your neighbor. Flip it over as soon as you get it right. Flip it over. The answer is, what is?
Abiotic.
If you wrote abiotic, you're wrong. If you wrote, what is abiotic, you're right.
What is abiotic? I have my one.
I'm just kidding. I'll give you that one, but you have to write it in Jeopardy format. You have to write, what is abiotic? All right. What?
What is?
All right. Number next. What number are we on?
7, 8, 9, 7, 7.
You already have 7 points. If you got all of them correct so far, you have 7 points. Number 8 is the conversion of nitrogen in the atmosphere from unusable to usable. The conversion of nitrogen in the atmosphere from unusable to usable. What is it? Write it in Jeopardy format. You've got 10 seconds. I really need that music. Yes, Bo, can you find it? Then you're in charge of starting it every time we ask a question. The answer is, what is?
Nitrogen fixation.
Absolutely. Number 9. Number 9. A plant that hosts nitrogen-fixing bacteria. A plant that hosts nitrogen-fixing bacteria. There we go. Okay, we gotta have it louder though.
Wow. What? It's 10 hours.
Is that as loud as it goes?
Yeah.
All right, are you ready? I can't even remember the I can't even remember the question I asked.
What is the plant? What is the plant?
The plant that hosts the nitrogen-fixing bacteria is what? What is a legume? No, always now.
I did it.
What is a legume?
A plant. I just did it.
Okay, ready? Listen up, folks. Here we go. Here we go. Question number next. Just wait. I need everybody to be quiet while we're doing this, okay? We do want to get through all of the study for the test, so you know what you have to study tonight. If you're not getting any of these right, remember, I got to go back and study that before the test tomorrow. The process that occurs when water changes from a liquid to a gas because of heat. Okay, the answer is what is?
Yay!
Evaporation. Evaporation.
What is evaporation?
It's freezing.
All right. I think I've got it here too. Is that louder?
Way louder.
All right. Wow, it's the important stuff. Here we go. It's not too much louder, is it?
No, it's louder.
All right, here we go. Ready? The next question is.
It's Jeopardy.
All right. A substance that is made of only one type of atom. A substance.
That's easy.
Shh, no talking though, in between. You get 10 seconds.
I really was. What was the question?
Oh no, I know.
Okay, you can cut the music. What is?
Element.
What is element?
I don't know what that was.
Nia, the question is.
The next question is as follows.
What?
The basic building block of matter.
Oh,
Cool.
why are you showing me?
Don't show.
Hey kids online, this is the answer.
All right, cut the music. What is? Here, I'll do the music here for the next few just so our online kids can hear it because I don't think they can hear back there, Bo. All right, next question. I gotta wait till everyone's quiet. All right. Bo, can you cut the music for the question? Thank you. Thank you. All right. Living. What is the vocab word that means living? I was going to do mine too so I can hear it up here. Okay.
You actually stopped
What?
it at the right time.
I'm yes. What is?
Abiotic.
What is biotic means living?
You put abiotic.
Give yourself a point if you got it right. 13. Question number 14 is coming up. Shh, I gotta wait. If you talk, we are going to run out of time before we get to the end. All right. The next one is as follows. What is, okay. Wait, I gotta restart my music. This is important stuff. This is important things here. Okay, here we go. The process in the carbon-oxygen cycle that green plants go through. The process that green plants go through. Okay, the answer is what is? Photosynthesis. All right, next one. I gotta be able to just repeat this.
Question 15.
Yeah, that's right.
No.
Shouldn't I be able to just repeat
Oh yeah.
It's 15.
rather than drag it? Here, next is water droplets fall from the atmosphere in the form of rain, snow, or hail.
I thought it was slate too.
Vocab words.
Write it on a piece of paper.
The answer is, what is?
Precipitation.
Precipitation. Give yourself a point. The next question is the passage of water vapor from the plant to the atmosphere. The passage of water from the plant to the atmosphere.
Oh, I know this.
Okay, what is it?
Transportation.
Transpiration.
Not transportation.
Yeah, I keep on saying go.
Okay, moving on. We are done with vocab words now to just our questions, okay? So girlies, you need to scooch this way because I got the test right here. I don't want you to see it. All right, yes, say hi, bye to your friends. Okay, all right, guys, say hi to our blendeds. Okay, all right. Okay, we've only got about 10 minutes left, so have a seat quick, guys. I'll wait for you. If you don't get to the last questions of review, then you just will not get to the last questions of review. Okay, these ones you are going to need to also write in Jeopardy style, and they're not going to be vocab words necessarily. They could be, but they don't have to be. Ready? The ocean. Oh, just wait. I have to read the question first. Now listen, I'm only going to read the question one time, so you have to listen to it the first time. The ocean covers what percentage of the Earth's surface? Oh, too much time. Okay, what is 75?
78. Oh, I just said it.
Okay, listen. Listen.
The other question.
There are three numbers, three percentages on this test. 75, 78, 97. Which one is the one that covers how much water, how much of the earth is covered with water? Yes? 75. 3/4, think of the earth being 3/4 covered with water. Like if you split the globe into quarters, 3 of those quarters would be covered. All right? Next question is going to be, you probably need these, Katie, don't you, my questions? And my computer. Oh, Bo, it's all you for the Jeopardy music because I got to hand my computer over. Hold on.
Well, how about you get his computer? And bring it up here so the
What's that?
I think he'll put his tablet up there.
All right, I'll give you that.
Well, I'm done with all of these.
Okay.
I have a different pile.
I'll give you that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we go.
Is that yours or something?
No.
It looks real.
Here's your next question. Your next question is this. Okay, I gotta wait till the boys in the back and the girls in the back are quiet. The process by which water moves through the atmosphere and the earth is called what? The process by which water moves through the earth and the atmosphere. What is that called? Let other people think.
Remember, we couldn't get the store when I was doing
Can you try it one time and I'm going to resave it? Try like 5 of them and I'll try and save it. I hope it works. I know it works because I've used it before. Okay, what is...
What is water cycle?
Yeah, the water cycle, you got it. Okay, number next. Here's your question. It is... what causes evaporation to happen? What causes evaporation? Write that down. Okay. Now listen. I'm gonna have one person give me why you think evaporation happens. Heidi. Heat. Okay. That's a one-word answer. Give me a little bit more than that. Like on the earth. Let's talk about specifically evaporation on the earth, like in our oceans.
Sunlight.
Michaela, thank you for raising your hand. Okay, so the water on the earth, listen to this because this is how it is on your test. Evaporation happens because water on the earth is heated by the
Sun.
and it changes from a
Liquid to
liquid
Gas.
to a gas when it evaporates. Yes, okay, good. Judge whether you get that point or not, and we're going on to the next question. Once water has evaporated, what causes condensation to happen? Once water has evaporated, it's in the atmosphere, what causes condensation to happen?
Over.
Okay. What causes that water vapor to become a liquid again? Yes? Yes, exactly. The wind, the cold air cools down that hot water vapor and it becomes water again. Good job. Number next. What are fossil fuels used for? What are fossil fuels used for? Give me an example. Answer, what is, yes,
Buses and factories.
buses and factories,
Cars.
gas,
That's what I said. Gas buses.
what's that? Fueling cars and heating houses, your electricity for houses, cars, buses, planes, factories, yes. Are fossil fuels used for
Oil.
plants?
No.
No. Okay, next question. What percentage of our air is nitrogen?
Oh.
Don't say it aloud.
I think I
All right, Mia, what is the answer?
78%.
No.
That's in the atmosphere.
What is 78%?
Well, that's what I had on my board.
Nitrogen.
Yeah, I just didn't say it. Yeah.
I knew it.
All right, give yourself a point. Moving on. What do plants release into the air
Oh.
as a byproduct of photosynthesis? What do plants release into the air as byproducts of photosynthesis? What is, just wait. What do plants release? What is oxygen, not carbon dioxide. Plants need carbon dioxide. A byproduct is oxygen, not glucose. They don't release glucose into the air, right? They don't release sugar into the air. They produce it in their plant, but they do not. Don't blurt those things out, okay? Just raise your hand if you have something to say. I'll call on you for sure. All right, next question is, which of the following? That's all right. I know him as I'm smart that way. Okay. What things What produces carbon dioxide? Give me an example. Give me an example of something that produces carbon dioxide. Or a few things. Give me two things.
Everything.
Give me a couple things. Three things. Give me everything that produces carbon dioxide.
Wait, if you don't get everything, does that
That
make it wrong?
produces carbon dioxide.
What do you mean?
That was what it looked like on the
That produces it. That like gives off carbon dioxide. everything that gives it off. Gives off carbon dioxide. Do plants give off carbon dioxide?
No.
No. Do animals?
Yes.
Do humans?
Yes.
Do cars?
Yeah.
Do factories? Yes. But plants do not. Animals, breathing. Do humans? Yes. Animals, humans, cars, factories.
However many you got,
What is helium?
or does it all just count as 1 point?
Are we gonna learn about helium?
'Cause I only got
We are not learning about helium this year. I'm sorry. What are fossil fuels made from is your next question. What are fossil fuels made from?
What? Oh. And.
All right, fossil fuels are made from
What is poop and death?
decaying organisms, decaying bodies of animals, decaying dead plants.
I know it. Wait.
So does that count?
Yes.
Does animals count?
Animals? No. You'd have to say dying or dead animals decaying. Number next. Now you're going to need to think for this one. We talked about this briefly. It's part of a vocab word, but I want you to tell me what is respiration.
I know.
Okay? Respiration. What do you think respiration means? It's part of a vocab word.
I don't know.
Okay, the answer is Charlotte. What is breathing? Okay, it is actually, is it a process done by plants? Process done by animals? Only done by animals? It's actually organisms using oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. I need to change that one. Okay, does that make sense?
If you're changing it on there, you're gonna change it.
Yeah, I'm gonna change that
What
one.
is it? What is it?
Number 26.
What do you want?
Does people count?
What answer do you want?
Because it's just a little bit confusing. I need to just change it. I'm gonna just leave myself a note. I need to just change it. I needed to say what is cellular respiration. And then I need to change the answer C to something else because it's too close to the right answer. So can you just change it to what is cellular respiration? And then get rid of option number C. I had to put something else in there. Make something up, Katie.
Example of photosynthesis, is that C?
That's D.
So what's
C is organisms using oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. Okay, number 27. What are the 3 ingredients for photosynthesis? Go. 3 ingredients for photosynthesis.
What do you want me to put? 'Cause
I got one.
Yes, it is. But if you change it to cellular respiration, then it's a process only done by humans. Animal. Oh, presently done by animals. I gotta fix it. I'll fix it. All right, answer is sun. What is sun, water, and
CO2?
CO2?
Yes!
All right. What is the power source of the water cycle? What gives energy to the water cycle?
Oh, this is easy.
5 seconds? 4 seconds? 3, 2, 1, go.
Sun.
What is sun? What is the one thing that can instantly, in the atmosphere, fix nitrogen?
Huh?
In the atmosphere, there's something that can instantly change nitrogen from unusable to usable. What is it?
Oh.
Anybody know?
Oh.
IDK. I see.
5 seconds?
Got it.
4, 3, 2, 1, go. What is?
Nitrogen
Fixation.
Nope, instantly.
No, bacteria.
Nitrification. Oxygen.
It was the strange but true box in your text. Yes? Lightning. A lightning strike can instantly change.
your battery is low, your battery is low.
Alert, alert, my battery's low. Okay, let me give you another one. What is it called when plants lose water, and it go from their stomata, which you don't need to know that word. They lose water from their body, from the plant body, and it goes directly to the atmosphere.
Wait, give me a minute.
What is that called? When plants lose water, it goes right into the atmosphere. Okay, quick, before we lose it.
I know, I saved it before. I don't even know how to spell it.
Oh, yeah.
Nothing else.
All right, what is?
Purification.
No, this is water going right from a plant into the atmosphere. Water. Transpiration. Don't get that confused.
At all.
Okay. 5 more left. What is water vapor condensing into water droplets called? Water vapor condensing into droplets. The answer is, what is?
Precipitation.
Yep, water vapor condensing into water droplets is called condensation. What is one product of photosynthesis? A product of photosynthesis, one of them. There's 2. What's one of the products of photosynthesis? Or, write them both down. Yes, ma'am. The answer is?
Sugar and glucose and oxygen.
Yes.
Let's artery.
3 more left. Here we go. What percentage of our bodies are made up from just 4 elements? What percentage of our body is made up from 4 elements?
We name the element. We name the atom. Oh, percentage. I'm done, I think.
What is?
97.
97%. What 4 elements are most abundant in living things? What, right, all 4 of them. You've got 10 seconds to write them all out.
I know this. Hold on. Give me a couple minutes. I can't write that fast.
Answer. What is?
Hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen.
Hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, and nitrogen. Last question is this. Factories are able to take the unusable nitrogen in the air and make it into usable what? Factories, I'll only say it one more time. Factories are able to take unusable nitrogen and make what out of it?
Fertilizer.
All right, what is? If you did well on this, you will do well on the test. If you didn't do so hot, then study those questions. 35 questions. It's the exact information that we just went over. 20, right?
Yeah.
All right. So that'd be about a 68%.
Yeah, I'm studying.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, clear your desks.